How's it, guys? Welcome back to another video. I really wasn't expecting to come fishing today. We had planned to come today, but it got cancelled because of the weather, and then the weather actually cleared up pretty nicely and we ended up coming out just for an hour or two. But yeah, let's see what we can catch. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be telling you guys what the location is. It's a secret location and we'd like to keep it as low-key as possible. But yeah, maybe one day you guys will find out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on, not on the water, on the side, because we're going to be doing some bank fishing today. First cast, first fish. Not at all. It's been caught before. It's been caught before. Mouth. And there goes my lure basically. Sorry, bro.
Awkward, man. No, I felt the parts there. Sorry, language.
Hey?
Language, sorry.
Why don't you strike if you find a bite there?
I'm a noob. What was the grass?
I wasn't even recording.
Oh man. Shit struck.
True that. Is it coming right, the reel?
The reel just gets stuck though.
When you have to turn it, eh? Yeah, but it does get better. You just have to keep turning it.
Oh, there was some chicks. You lying. Mother.
Second one. Yes, please. You on?
I was. Now I'm going to
Relax, fishy. Relax.
Come check out that doka.
Yeah, my rod nearly goes. Relax, fish.
Eat it.
Yeah, he swallowed it. Thing's feisty as hell. Come on, dude. Relax, please. Second fish already. You had a bite yet?
Bro, I had my 3 sauce.
Oh, it's one of those birds. A water chicken.
Water chicken.
Oh, you missed it. Oh, he broke me off.
No way.
You see, it was a big fish, dude. Six, I was just joking it. I got one if you want.
Yeah.
Do you have a hook for me?
You can take it off there.
You sure?
Yeah. You can just, if you want, put one of the flukes on, because that's top water.
Oh, there is there. You see there?
Or the tiny one.
Oh, underneath it.
Yeah,
underneath.
Yeah.
You want to use this thing? What pound line you got on here?
It's 15, I think. 17.
Oh, you bastard. Finally. On, Dad. On. Oh, yay. Guess I'm gonna have to go back. Third fish of the day. Oh, it's weeing.
Oh, it's all over me. Oh.
Good luck there, bro. You can watch him eat yours. Okay, I'm gonna leave your rod here.
Oh, yeah. Just bring a couple of flukes.
Oh, well. Then you're gonna put your pink one on back, yeah?
No, no, it's okay.
Sure.
Much better. Okay, Steve, take it. It's a big boy. No.
Decent.
There you go. In a minute. That is it? That.
Yeah, it's a bass.
You have to lift a little bit. I don't want to just pull it off. You hammer this thing.
Swallow it.
Oh, not complete.
You good?
Yeah.
Woo, baby!
Oh,
Yes, boys.
yeah.
First decent fish. Woo! He swallowed it.
Yeah.
What did I just say? There has to be a decent one here somewhere. That's how you get a hook out. Can I get a photo, Steve? How nice and brown is this fish?
Nice and dark.
I saw something where they said if you hold a bass like this, you break its jaw, but it doesn't.
A big bass, someone said it damages.
But there's proof that it doesn't.
It looks so much bigger on camera. Like, so much bigger.
Thanks for coming. Cheers, my boy. Safe release. Oh, you went straight down here. Goodbye. Oh yeah, this thing's ruined. They fight hard. Even that other one now was fighting me hard. What happened? You stuck in the grass there? Pull hard if it. Baby fish, surf it in. Oh yes, man. Absolutely slaughtering the fish today. That's why I went home to get my GoPro.
We know the
Hammering, yeah. Baby, go get your mommy. Yep. That's it. Oh, there's a fish right here. Eat it. Oh, you got it. Oh, yes. Fish on, baby. Hope I was recording. Yes, I was. Sight fishing for the win. It's a little one, but it's a fish. Oh, he's got no R.
Is it?
Yeah. Ah, relax, dude. Relax. Ayo. It's okay. Oh, it's at 5 or 6.
Somewhere like that.
Dude, these things are so aggressive.
They're fighting hard.
Yeah.
I want to put a buzzbait on, I'm not going to lie.
Just to see what happens.
Yeah.
This grass is bloody annoying.
Sit above the grass.
You on? Okay, fish just jumped over there. Let's see what we can get. Are you on? It's not my rod, at least. Don't pull too hard, eh? Dude, there's a fish under here. Eat it. Yeah. Really? Oh, eat it, eat it. That's a better fish. Oh no. No. Why?
We need to check the time. I'll go check in the car now.
My phone's over there. The other one. Oh yes! No ways!
No way.
Did you see him? He followed it all the way. Oh shit. I was just jerking it along the top. From down there, yeah. You on?
Yeah. No, check this all. Pull him, Bobby, pull him.
Nah, Steven.
That's just got him with the hobmer Roger. It's on the lip. Check it out.
Well done, Bobby.
Hold it in the mouth, yeah. That thing's got a
Got another
good
picture.
photo, yeah.
Where's your phone? Hold it in the mouth. Hold it like that. Yeah. It won't bite you. It won't bite you. It's not sore.
I'm taking a photo with you.
Grab him like that. Like this. It's not sore. Even if he like bites, it's not sore. It's just like fucking. Where's your phone?
My pocket shot. This is all on video. They're cutting the shit out of it.
Oh, I missed it.
You already taken a picture?
Yeah.
Are you leaving a dead foot, dude? Sorry, boy.
Poor fucking fish.
Bad luck.
Please excuse this man. He's only fished a few hours and he's beating us and hurting the poor fish.
Where nature prevails.
You on?
That's good.
Oh, look, watch the tip there. Let some line out. There we go. Try not to pull it in too hard to the tip, eh? You on? Yeah.
Yo, check this hole, yeah.
Can you bring it this way?
That's same size one. There you go. That's close. Okay. Smaller than your first one, but it's a bigger one over the other one.
I just want to get something.
Newbie vibes.
The most fish you've caught in your life.
Yeah, bro, in one day. It's like, you guys are
How
good
many
luck.
on him, yeah?
Huh?
How many on?
I'm not counting. Probably like 4. No, there's more. I swear you got more than
I'm on 5 or 6.
that. I knew he was swimming. I just couldn't feel where he was going.
This is when they're coming through, dude.
Yes,
I
man.
like how dark they are. It's so nice.
It's a beautiful fish, dude. Oh, nothing beats bass fishing. Yeah, deep sea fish find.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Freeze that. Hey, freeze that. Thanks for coming, mate. I wish I could release you better, but unfortunately I can't. What happened?
Try to get this thing with the knot off.
So basically, guys, all I'm doing is using a ignore that California red. So it's a black dark top with a watermelon red bottom, and it's got red speckles everywhere and black speckles. Just dead sticking. I was on Mojo earlier when I caught the bigger one, and yeah, everyone else has been on Mojo and weightless, so they're liking the more natural presentation.
I can't wait.
Okay, so quick little hour-and-a-half session, all done. We caught quite a few bass for the time that we were here. Pulled up to the corner here, but the hippos are here, so we and the gate closes at 5, so we need to go. But yeah, pretty successful outing, and please subscribe, hit the like button, and go check out the store. I'll post the store link in description where you can get not these caps, but those caps over there that Mr. Steven is
Then you
wearing.
better buy them because I got the biggest fish today.
Oh yeah, he caught the biggest fish. It's always been a good luck cap. But yeah, cheers guys.
I'm just calling to say I